Today I'm going to tell you a new story about a stone cutter, a poor stone cutter. The stone cutter. In this unit, I will use ing words to talk about the weather. Learn words for people's job and the equipments they use. Learn the rules for spelling ing words. Talk about the weather, listening to weather forecast. Warm up. Match the words with the pictures. So first we have to match sun. Now can you see the sun? Here. So can you see it here? See here? Sun. So we will match it here. 1. Now where's the cloud? 2. So here we will match it. 2. Now you see this rock? Now can you tell me where is the rock? Here. 3. What is this? An emperor. Now this will go in a rich man, 5, and this will go the poor stone cutter. Now let's come here. Reading. Read the story from Japan about a poor stone cutter. This is a story about a poor stone cutter who is from Japan. Now let's read it. A poor stone cutter chipped at a rock. His hammer went tap and his chisel went talk. So you will be thinking, what's the meaning of chipped? So chipped means to do like this. Take your hammer and put your chisel and knocking it like this means chipped. And tack and talk are just sounds. And now what's a chisel? A chisel is a tool with a flat metal side used for cutting wood or stone. Then a rich man walked past in his rich man's clothes. Now this means that a rich man was going and he walked and passed away. And you would be thinking, what will be the meaning of rich? So rich meaning is that when someone has so much money and he is very rich like this. See this man. He is see 3 bags of gold. So he is rich. And past means already walked away. And it's a past word of walked. I am just a poor stone cutter. The stone cutter said, I would rather be a rich man instead. Then the stone cutter said, I am just a poor stone cutter. I would rather be a rich man instead. And he became a rich man. Then the emperor rode past with his servants dressed in blue and gold. So you would be thinking, what is the meaning of emperor? Emperor is a big king. The emperor is a king also, but it's not just any king. It's a big king. It's the king of kings. Can you see this? This is the emperor and these are the servants. Now, servants are those like queen, king, or emperor or empress has or have. And empress is the female of emperor. I am just a rich man, the poor stone cutter said. I would rather be an emperor instead, and he became the emperor. Then the sun came out. It was grander and more powerful than any emperor. So now the sun came out. See here, the sun, it's coming out. And now it was very grander. Now what means by grander? A grand person or place is very important. Like the sun was very important, so we can call it grander. And it was very powerful than any emperor. I am just the emperor, the stone cutter said. I would rather be the sun instead, and he became the sun. Then a big cloud passed. It blocked out all the sun's light. I'm just the sun. The stone cutter said, I would rather be a cloud instead. Now he's saying that. Now the story is saying that one big cloud passed and blocked all the sun's light. See here the wind, and here's the house, and it blocked all the sun's light. So now the stone cutter was saying that I'm just a sun. I want to be a cloud instead. And he became the cloud. Then a wind blew the cloud away across the sky. Now the wind came and it blew the cloud away. And blew means already have blown away. If you blow a balloon, it already have blew. Means it is full of air already. I'm just a cloud, the stonecutter said. I would rather be this wind instead, he said. Means now the stonecutter is saying that I'm just a cloud. I want to be a wind. I want to be the wind. And he became the wind. The wind blew until it smacked into a huge rock. Now you would be thinking, what's the meaning of smacked into? Smacked means if the wind smacks into a rock, it hits the rock very hard. And also remember that what's the meaning of huge? Huge means more bigger than big. It's very big, but it's not very small. Big is a smaller size, smaller one, but the huge is more bigger to use it. I'm just a wind, the stonecutter said. I would rather be the rock instead. He said that I'm just the wind. I want to be the rock now. And he became a rock. Then he felt a poor stonecutter chipping at his side. I'm just a rock, the stonecutter said. I would rather be a poor stonecutter instead. Now he said, what happened that the stonecutter felt and another stonecutter coming and chipping on him. Can you see this picture? Here is the small stone cutter. It's very small. You could not see it, but you will. Now that the poor stone cutter saw that one more stone cutter was chipping at his side. Now he said, I'm just a rock. The stone cutter was saying. Then he said, I would be the poor stone cutter instead. And he became the poor stone cutter once again. The poor stone cutter chipped at the rock. His hammer went tack and his chisel went off. So, the moral of the stories are, we should not compare ourselves with each other. Second, we should be happy with what we have. Like the poor stone cutter was not happy what he had, like the chisel and the hammer. Second is that we should be happy with what we are. Like this stone cutter, you can see the stone cutter. He was not happy what he was. He was comparing, and last he get himself again. So, and now you will be wondering that why he wanted to compare himself. He wanted to compare himself because he wanted to be so powerful than everyone. Now let's come here. Exercises. Comprehension 1. Look at the poor man in the story. What is his job? So we can write here, chipping on a rock. Are these sentences true or false? Circle T or F.
What was his job? He was stone cutter. Okay.
So now T and F means T means true and F means false. The stone cutter was poor. True. He did not want to be rich. False. He wanted. The moon blocked the sun's light. False. Did we saw the moon in the story? How? No. A cloud can. Okay. The wind smacked into a rock. True. The man became a poor stone cutter again. True. Match what happened first on the left with what happened next on the right. The stone cutter saw a rich man. Now we can match it to here. The stone cutter wanted to be the rich man. The stone cutter saw an emperor. The stone cutter wanted to be an emperor. The stone cutter wanted to be more powerful than the emperor. The stone cutter wanted to be the sun. Comprehension 2. A. Answer the questions. Give the reasons from the story. How can a cloud be more powerful than the sun? So we can write a cloud can be more powerful than the sun because it can block the sun's light. How can the wind be more powerful than the cloud? So we can write here the wind is more powerful than a cloud because it can blow anything. Choose the best answer. Imagine that the next day the stonecutter sees another rich man. How do you think he feels this time? Why? Now this question is asking that imagine that next day again the stonecutter sees one rich man. So what he feels now and why he feels it? He does not want to change. So here are written he wants to be rich man again. He does not want to change. He is happy that he is a stonecutter. He wants to be a rock again. So B is the right answer because he don't want it to change now and he was happy that he was a stonecutter. Vocabulary. Match the weather words with the correct pictures. So first is what? A. So we can match it with stormy. Can you see this word? Stormy. And here's the storm. Cloudy, snowy, rainy, windy and sunny. Match the pictures with the jobs. Do you know who uses a hammer and a chisel? We saw it. So we will match it to the stonecutter. A board and books and duster. Can you see this? It's very small. A teacher. Who uses these items? You can now. So have you saw these items anywhere? Yes, in the hospital. So do you know who are in the hospitals? They are doctors. So we will match it in the doctor. Now what is this? We can match it to cleaner, barber and farmer. Grammar. A, and the. The first time something is mentioned, we use a or an. Look, there is a big black cloud in the sky. After that, we use the. Oh no, now the cloud is coming towards us. If there is only one of something, we always use the. Look at the moon. The sun is very. If there is only one of something, we always use the. Look at the moon. The sun is very hot today. Who is the President of India? President of India. The capital city of China is Beijing. Complete the sentences with a, an or the. Tanvi has dash uncle. He is a science teacher. One evening, Tanvi's uncle gave her dash telescope.
In the dash, we will fill A.
So in this dash, we will put N. And here A. Can you look at dash sky in the day? Now we can put here the. Said Tanvi. Yes, said her uncle. You can look through a telescope on the cloudy day, but never look at the sky through a telescope on the sunny day. Can I look at the moon? Asked Tanvi. Yes, said her uncle. You can always look at the sky at night. Tanvi looked through the telescope. Wow, she said. I can see a rocket on the moon, she said. Then she looked again. Wow, she said. I can see an astronaut in the rocket. ING words for talking about the weather. These are the pictures that what are here. So see, here is boy and here is India. Here see, in the story the wind blew, the sun shone and the clouds move across the sky. Look at the weather maps. We can use words with ing to talk about the weather. Here we can say that the sun is shining in India. The second we can do is it's raining in France. It's wind blowing in Sri Lanka. It's snowing in Nepal. Complete the sentences as you like. Use words from the cloud. So here are some words. See here? See this cloud? Wind is blowing, snowing, raining, sun is shining. So we can write here snowing in the USA, sun is shining in Japan, raining in Brazil, wind is blowing in Thailand.
These are the country names. So they always written in capital letters like USA, Japan, Brazil, and Thailand.
So you can choose.
They all are proper noun.
You can use any words from this cloud and put it here. Look out of the window. What is the weather like today? Take the true sentences. It is raining, wrong. It is snowing, wrong. And also, if it was snowing, can you even tell me in Rajasthan is snow? No. It snows just in South Pole and North Pole. The sun is shining, wrong. The wind is blowing, wrong. But the clouds are moving across the sky, right. If it was, you can do any of them. If you just see out of your window and then you have to take this.
Next.
Spelling, language skills. Spelling ing words. Look at this word, move. Now look at this sentence. Which letter is move has disappeared. The clouds are moving across the sky. So which letter is disappeared? So E is disappeared. Now you will be thinking why? And you have to remember, always take out E because E comes in the way and it's not a right spelling. So let's come here. Write the ing words. Remember to take away this E. The sun is dashed today. So here first can you see shine? Here shine. So we have to write shining. And remember to take out the letter E. We are dash lunch. So here is written have. So we will write having. What are you dash? So we can write here writing. Stop dash that noise. Making. The emperor is riding a horse. Listen to the radio programs and choose the correct picture. So in this we don't need to do anything. Speaking. Color the pictures below the map and match them with the season they belong to. So here is an umbrella. Can you see this? This umbrella. So you can color it and we will match it with monsoon. Next we will match these to winter. And we will match summer to this picture. Can you see this? Which season do you like the best? Tell your partner and give a reason why. So, which season do you like the best? Tell your partner and give a reason why. So write your favorite ones and write why you want a reason. And write also that what is the reason. If you like cold, then write I like cold because we do skiing. In hot.
Which season you like? You like winter season. Okay.
Or so if we write summer season, so you can write I like summer because I eat ice creams. And whatever you like the best season, so you can write here. Writing. Look at the picture and write a sentence. Use the words in the box. Rich man sitting under tree. So example, a rich man is sitting under a tree. See this picture? See this here, like this. Okay? Now let's see the next. Wind blowing tree. The wind is blowing a tree. See here? Can you see this picture? Okay, let's come away now. Girls riding horse. The girls are riding horse. Can you see these all pictures? Stonecutter chipping at rock. So what we will write here? It's easy one. You can guess it out. Yes, it's right. The stonecutter is chipping at a rock. Thank you, friends. And now it's completed. Thank you.